YouTube. You find people out there in viewer land. The importance of checking your bike. So tomorrow morning, or tomorrow afternoon, we're heading up towards Daytona, St. Augustine, start a bike week. So changed the oil in the bike. It was due at 15,000. It was due at 16, but I figured I'd do it now. Then I checked the tire, front was good, and I checked the back. I was like, wow, 30 pounds, that's kind of weird. So I just filled it up, and it's like, so I thought, well, let me check, because that's kind of odd. Sure enough, man, big old nail right in this side of it. So covered a couple phone calls, and the local dealer, of course, who I'm not very fond of, they don't have it. Well, actually, I called, and it's like, oh, let me transfer the parts. They never picked up the phone, so to where I got my tires last time, which is Super Bike and Ski, Fort Myers. They're usually pretty fair on their tire price. I need 2 tires. Well, front's okay, but I figured 15,000 miles on 2 tires, that's pretty good. And but as it stands now, the pressure is holding steady. The beauty part about having a TPMS system. It's on the right side, so I gotta take it kind of easy on those right turns. It's on the right, right in the middle, like right where I'd be in a corner. So, yeah. So if you're going on a long ride, even if a short ride, and your bike's been sitting, always good to give her a check. Check out those tires. Check out those sidewalls. Check the oil. All that good stuff. I did put synthetic in it this time, so we'll see how that goes. I'm back. Of course, for you, it was instant. 15,094 miles. And the old Goldwing's got some new wheels on it. Tires. Same wheels, new tires. As you could see earlier, I had that big old nail in it. But that was from just doing a regular safety check, going on taking the bike tomorrow to go to Daytona and St. Augustine for a long weekend, depending on the weather. The weather's looking kind of iffy for us down here. I mean, I don't like subjecting Mrs. 1800 to weather she doesn't have to endure, because it takes away the enjoyment for her, and then, trickles down. But anyway, Super Bike and Skis on Fowler. If you guys are anywhere in my area and you're looking for tires, call them. They don't do any kind of advertising whatsoever. It's all word of mouth. And they have the best tire prices you will find in this area, in Southwest Florida. I can almost guarantee it. 2 brand new tires, Bridgestones, the kind that are supposed to be on this bike. $547 mounted and balanced out the door, which some of you are probably like, $500, that's a lot of money. Yeah, is it really? The dealer wanted $800 for 2 tires mounted and balanced, and it took them forever. It took these guys 2 hours. Called them up because he's like, yeah, bring it over, man, we'll get them on. Boom, done. They do volume. This is the second bike I've done tires with them, and I've also done tires with, but Lee has done tires with them on just about every bike he owns. But anyway, just they're a local company, local guys. Check them out. They're right on Fowler, so Super Bike and Skis. But there is nothing better than having new shoes on the motorcycle. After you get them broken, you want to give yourself a little bit of mileage, because they need to be scuffed up a bit, because if anybody knows, new motorcycle tires tend to be a little bit slick compared to car tires, because the molding, they don't want to take the corners too aggressively, like McKelly 7. Man, love new tires. It feels so different again. It feels like it did 3 years ago today when I got this bad boy. Can you believe it? It's 3 years since I got this thing. and only 15,000 miles, because 2020, let's face it, folks, well, 2019 when I had back surgery and all the other stuff that went on in life, then 2020 hit. Let's face it, there wasn't a lot of time to riding, because usually it'd be about, I would guarantee I'd have a lot more miles than that on it. But who cares, man? Look at this. I'm in Florida. It's February. Well, actually, it's March now, isn't it? Like the 3rd, 4th, 5th? I don't know. 73 degrees currently, but this weekend's not looking that good. But yeah, so anyhow, guys, I remember to do your T-clocks, tires, cables, lights, oil. What did the C stand for? Well, K. Kickstand. You know, check your bike before you go riding it, especially you guys that are out there in the winter, and you want to give her a good once-over. Because that's how I saved myself, because just if I didn't check that today, knowing I was going on a trip tomorrow, could have got on the bike tomorrow, tire pressure would have gone off and it would have been done. It would have been okay, get in the car. So, ride safe, everybody. Be cool, and we'll talk to you later.